Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have got my work cut out for me. As you can imagine, engine parts are some of the dirtiest parts on a dirt bike. So I'm going to show you how I go about cleaning up these CR250 engine parts behind me. And towards the middle of the video, I've got something really exciting for you guys. So make sure you stick around for that. Alright, I am going to get scrubbing. Take a good look at this stuff. Cases are pretty dirty. Everything's got oil on it, some corrosion, some rust. But with the help of the parts washer, this stuff will be looking fresh pretty shortly here. Now, a lot of you guys have seen my other heated parts washer, but this is a different one. Just recently finished this tank up. Same exact concept, but improved upon a couple things. So perfect opportunity to test it out. Since these cases are the dirtiest part of all, I'm gonna get them soaking in the bottom of the tank before I start scrubbing anything else. While those parts are soaking, I'm going to scrub up some of these smaller parts. Just like the other tank, this one is heated as well, but it's got a pump on it, and I've added a flow-through brush on the end of the line. Check this out, this is pretty sweet. Turn the pump on, and we've got warm fluid flowing through the brush. Should work awesome. Man, these parts turned out looking great, but now it is time for the real test. Let's see what we can do with these cases. Wow, I'm freaking impressed. This stuff looks amazing. All that dirt and grime is completely gone. What if I told you guys I built this exact tank in just a couple of hours for under $200, and you can do the same thing too. If you do any sort of parts cleaning, dude, you gotta have one of these. They're super nice to have. My favorite part about it is having my hands in a warm tank during the cold winter months. It's freaking sweet. So I built a tutorial on exactly how to make your own heated tank. Covers every single step along the way. How to heat it, what degreaser to use and what ratio, what parts you'll need and where to buy them. The list goes on and on. There is so much information in there. Click the first link down in the description to go check it out. And now for the exciting part. I'll be giving away this exact tank. Without the fluid, of course. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is join the course within the first 3 days. And after those 3 days, the price on the course is going up. I like to reward people who take action and don't wait around. The only requirement for the giveaway is you gotta be in the US though. Unfortunately, I can't ship this thing overseas. Either way, it's a win-win. You get to learn how to build your own tank and possibly win a tank out of it. All right, enough babbling. Let's get back to cleaning. To hold the transmission and kickstart gears into place during the cleaning process, I'll put zip ties on the ends of the shafts. Now it's time to drop these parts into the tank and get them soaking. Well, I've got all these parts cleaned up, and all that remains is ordering up some replacement parts and slapping this thing back together. As of right now, I'll be replacing the crank, cylinder, the inner clutch hub, clutch plates, all the gaskets and seals, and of course, dropping in a fresh piston. Thank you so much for joining me on this build, guys. It's been a ton of fun so far, and there's a lot more to come. Don't forget to go enter the giveaway. You have 3 days from the day this video is posted. I will catch you in the next video. Have a good one.